good afternoon. Say hi. Hi. Today, Mommy will ask Baby Sia some questions. Okay, Baby Sia, are you ready? Ready. Very good girl. Yay. What is your name? Isaiah. How old are you? 1. What is your father's name? Ryan. What is your mother's name? Jessica. Yes, Mommy Jessica. Where do you live? Dubai. What is your favorite fruit? Apple. Okay. Can you count 1 to 20? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yay! Can you tell me from A to Z? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. What? Later the flashcards. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yay! Okay, what is the sounds of the dog? What is the sounds of the cat? What is the sounds of the horse? What is the sounds of the horse? Okay, what is the sounds of the sheep? What is the sounds of the cow? What is the sounds of the duck? What is the sounds of the mouse? Squeak, squeak. What is the sounds of the chicken? Cluck, cluck, cluck. What is the sounds of the owl? Tui, too. What is the sounds of the bear? Roar. What is the sounds of the frog? Frog. Rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. Good girl. What is the sounds of the snake? What is the sounds of the elephant? What is the sounds of the monkey? What is the sounds of the car? Brum, brum. What is the sounds of the vampire? What is the sounds of Baby Sia? Did it? Okay. Where's your eyes? Where's your nose? Where's your mouth? Yes. Where's your ears? Where's your eyebrow? Where's your cheek? Cheek. Okay. Where's your chin? Okay. Where's your tongue? Okay. Where's your teeth? Okay. Where's your head? Okay. Where's your hair? Okay. Where's your neck? Okay. Where's your shoulder? Okay. Where's your chest? Okay. Where's your tummy? Where's your hips? Okay. Where's your arm? Okay. Where's your elbow? Okay. Where's your hands? Okay. Where's your fingers? Okay. Where's your palm? Okay. Where's your legs? Okay. Where's your knees? Knees? Okay. Where's your foot? Okay. Where's your toes? Okay. Where's your butt? Where's your butt? Butt. Where's your butt? Okay. Where's your armpit? Okay. Where's your back? Back. Okay. Very good, girl. Clap your hands. Yay. Okay, now let's proceed to the flashcards. Mommy will show you some pictures and you will tell Mommy what is it, okay? Okay. What's this? Peacock. What's this? Elephant. Yeah. What's this? Yeah. What's this? Cat. What's this? Dog. What's this? Zebra. Yeah. What's this? Rabbit. What's this? Hen. What's this? Tiger. What's this? Yeah, what's this? Donkey. Yeah, what's this? Parrot. Yeah, what's this? Horse. Yeah, what's this? Dolphin. What's this? Yeah, fish. Okay, what's this? Turtle. What's this?
Wow.
Giraffe.
Ooh.
Yes. What's this?
Bear.
Bear. What's this? Goat. What's this?
Yeah.
Lion. What's this?
And
Ant. What's this?
the
Carrot. What's this?
carrot.
Carrot. What's this?
Apple.
Apple. What's this?
If
Ice cream. What's this?
cake.
Cake. What's this?
Burger.
Burger. What's this?
Apple.
Pineapple. What's this?
Diet.
Garlic. What's this?
Pepper.
Cucumber. What's this?
Pepper.
Lemon. What's this?
Diet.
Grapes. What's this?
Yeah.
Watermelon. What's this?
Turtle.
Tomato. What's this?
Orange.
Orange. What's this?
Mango.
Mango. What's this?
Diet.
Radish. What's this?
Cheese.
Cheese. What's this?
Pepper.
Pepper. What's this?
Yeah.
Onion. And what's this?
Banana.
Banana. Yay! Good job. Clap your hands. Yay! Clap your hands, baby. Yay! Okay, now let's proceed to the alphabet. Okay, baby C, are you ready? Okay. What letter is this? T. T is for train. What letter is this?
A.
A is for
Apple.
apple. Yeah. What letter is this?
Oh.
O is for octopus. What letter is this?
C.
C is for
Oh. Cat.
cat. Meow. What letter is this?
O.
U is for umbrella. What letter is this?
B.
B is for
Bear.
bear. What letter is this?
N.
N is for
Nest.
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 Yeah, nest. What letter is this?
D.
D is for
Dog.
dog. What letter is this? V is for violin. What letter is this? E is for
F.
elephant. What letter is this? K is for
Kite.
kite. What letter is this? Isaiah, what letter is this? Isaiah, just listen to mommy. What letter is this?
F.
F is for
Beans.
F is for fish. What letter is this?
Bubble.
W is for
Yeah.
whale. What letter is this?
G.
G is for giraffe. What?
Giraffe.
Yes, giraffe. What letter is this?
S.
S is for
Snake.
snake. What letter is this?
I.
H is for it's for
House.
house. What letter is this?
Train.
J is for
Beans.
jelly beans. Yes. What letter is this?
Pink.
Yeah, this color pink.
White.
White. There's a color white. Color
Orange.
orange. Okay, what letter is this?
Pink.
Yeah, there's color pink.
Purple.
Purple.
Orange.
Orange.
White.
White. Okay. Okay, it's enough. What letter is this?
Beans.
Yeah, that's jelly
Yellow.
beans. Yeah, there's a yellow. What letter is this?
S.
X is for
S.
X-ray. What letter is this?
I.
I is for
I.
ice cream. What letter is this?
Y.
Y is for
Yarn.
yarn. What letter is this?
M.
M is for
Mud.
monkey. What letter is this? What letter is this? Z is for zebra. What letter is this?
P.
P is for what's that?
Pig.
Pig. What letter is this? What letter is this? What letter is this? Huh? What letter is this?
O.
L is for
L.
lion. What letter is this? What letter is this? No, answer to mommy. You are playing already. Later play. What letter is this? What letter is this? Q is for queen. What letter is this?
Daddy.
Queen. What letter is this?
R.
R is for ring. Yay! Clap your hands. Good girl. Are you tired? Are you tired?
Sit down.
Oh, okay, just sit down. Okay. Now, let's proceed to the colors and shapes. What color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow. What color is this?
White.
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 What color is this?
Purple.
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 Yeah, what color is this?
White.
What's this?
Gray.
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 Yeah, what color is this?
Red.
Red.
White.
Yeah, what color is this?
Pink.
Pink. What color is this?
Orange.
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 Yeah, what color is this?
Black.
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 Yeah, what color is this?
Blue.
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 Yeah, what color is this?
Blue.
Green. What color is this?
Blue.
Brown.
Oh, this is
Yeah, what color is this?
blue.
Blue. And what color is this? Orange. What color is this?
Green.
Green. What color is this?
Purple.
Purple. What color is this?
Blue.
Blue. What color is this?
Red.
Red. What color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow. What color is this?
Aqua.
Aqua.
Blue.
Yeah, what color is this?
I need
What color is this?
red. Purple.
Purple. What color is this?
Blue.
Green. What color is this?
Black.
Black. What color is this?
Orange.
Orange. What color is this?
Red.
Red. What color is this?
Blue.
Blue. What color is this? Say yeah, what color is this?
Gray.
Gray. What color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow. What color is this?
Blue.
What color is this?
Blue.
What color is this?
Blue.
Brown.
Blue.
Brown. What color is this?
Blue. Pink.
Pink. Okay, what shape is this?
Purple.
Oval. What shape is this?
Sky.
Rectangle. What shape is this?
Gray.
Triangle. What shape is this? Heart.
Oh.
Oh. What shape is this?
Sky.
Square. What shape is this?
Batman.
Diamond. What shape is this?
Apple.
Circle. What's this?
Circle.
Circle. What shape is this?
Sky.
Star. Yay! Clap your hands. Good job. Baby Sia is sleepy, but we are not yet finished. Let's proceed to the numbers. Okay, now we will proceed to the numbers. Okay, Baby Sia, what number is this? 6. What number is this? Sia, look to mommy, anak. Anak, later I will open that one. What number is this? Sia, just look for mommy. Okay, what number is this?
20.
20. What number is this?
20.
This one.
10.
10. What number is this?
2. 1. 7.
7. What number is this? Sia, listen to mommy, anak. What number is this? This is the last questions. 5. What number is this? Sia, what number is this? 8. Okay. What number is this? Sia, listen to mommy. What number is this? What number is this? Baby, what number is this?
50.
14. Good girl. What number is this?
59.
9. What number is this? What number is this? Sia, what number is this? I will open that one after we will finish this one. What number is this? Sia, what number is this?
7.
What number is this?
8.
18. What number is this? 15.
50.
Okay. What number is this?
1.
1. What number is this? What number is this? 16. What number is this? What number is this? I know you are tired and you want to play, but we will finish this one. What number is this? 13. Good girl. What number is this? 17. What number is this? 11. What number is this? 19. What number is this? 12. What number is this? What number is this? What number is this? Yeah, we will put your hair clip later. What number is this? We're almost finished. Yeah. Oh, later. What number is this?
12.
Tell me, what number is this?
Oh.
You are not listening again to mommy. What number is this? What number is this? I will put your hair clip. Give that to mommy. Okay, what number is this? What number is this?
12.
Huh? What number is this? What number is this?
12.
What number is this?
12.
No, what number is this? You know it already. What number is this? Huh? Number?
12.
Next of number 1, what's this?
1.
Yeah, and then 2. Okay. What number is this? 4. And the last one. What number is this? 3. What number is this? 3. Oh, at last, it's finished. And baby Sia is very tired. She's not listening to mommy very well, but at least she finished it. Okay, say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Beautiful smile. Beautiful eyes. Flying kiss to them. Show them how to laugh. Ha ha.